In this GAT Labs how-to, we'll be going over how to ban third-party apps using GAT+. With GAT+'s application section, we can create a policy to ban an application from being installed for a user, group, or OU. To begin, we'll head to the application section of GAT+. From here, you can see all the applications your users have installed, as well as the level of permissions they ask for and the risk associated with giving those permissions. You can also see other details like when they install the application. In the Actions column, you can select from adding a policy to showing events like if the user authorized the application, or you can view any policies you've already created. To ban an application, we'll first need to find it, so I'll go ahead and create a filter using the funnel icon. In the filter menu, you can choose any search parameter to find the application. I'll be searching for a specific user to see what applications they have. It appears this user has recently installed an application that we would like to ban. I'll select Add Policy. In the new window, you can give your policy a name. Below that, you can select if the application will be trusted or banned. And just below that, we have 3 categories to choose from. If I wanted, I could make this ban only apply to a user, group, or OU. This can allow you to have greater control over who can install an application. You can also whitelist certain users in a group or OU by creating a second policy and setting its type to trust. In this case, I'd like to ban this application just for this user. Once finished, I'll click Save. You can view your policies by going to the Policy tab at the top of the page, and from here, you can edit or delete any existing policies. If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.